Epic Zap Productions. Okay, guys, okay, viewers, we had just captured a balloon. We're beating it to get some sense out of it, okay? I'm gonna film it now, okay?
There are so 4 people and I'm just trying to escape.
Yeah, pull beam! Get this guy out of here! This guy deserves what he is getting! Man, it's kinda dark in here. It's kinda dark in here. Can we go into the beating room, please?
Sure. Get him. Okay. This is how we do it. We put their head right there, to where it hurts on the head, and then we just go home. Right there, come up with your my butt.
Alright, well now, while he gets some sense out of this guy, we're going to go over here. It's kinda dark in here, so... So dark. It's really dark in here, man. And here we go, shed some light on this video. It's still dark. Still really dark in here. Ooh. Sorry that you can't see, guys, but if you can see, there's a really cute Chucky. Chucky's really cute. Look the way she's laying down, Dad. Alright. Like I said, now this is a really creepy picture. Painting. You can't see it on this camera. Sorry, guys. Anyways, well, bye. Wait, let's go check on the balloon guy first.
Keep holding litter. So I'm gonna wash this off and speed him out water again.
Ain't nobody quite like me, 'cause my name is E.G.
Very cold. We soak them in very cold water to make them really cold, and then we go to some extremely hot water. While doing that, we kind of beat them.
Epic Zap says goodbye, please subscribe.